Hi everyone, welcome back. In my last video, we created the furniture layout plan file and we added in the dynamic bed block and we set up the standard sizes for it. In this video, I'm going to create a dynamic modular sofa block. So I'll start by going to layer 0 and I'll draw the side seat of my sofa. I'll fillet the corners by 5 centimeters. And I'll select the drawing and create the block called sofa side seat. I'll open in block editor, then I'll go to parameters, add my base point right here. Then I'll select the linear parameter and I'll add one horizontally and another one vertically. Then I'll go to actions, select stretch, select the first parameter, then select the gripping point and draw a frame around the objects that I want to stretch, and I'll select those objects and I'll include the base point in this action, and I'll select stretch again and do the same for the vertical parameter. So I'll select the parameter, select the gripping point, draw a frame around the objects and then select those objects. Enter. Let's test the block. Vertically and horizontally, it's stretching correctly and the base point is moving with me as well. So I'll close test block and I'll go back to parameters to add my flip parameter. I'll place it in the center. Then I'll go to actions and select flip. Select my flip state, and when it says select objects, I'm going to type in all. So all of my objects and parameters are selected in this specific action. Enter. Test block. Stretch, stretch, flip. Close block editor, save changes, and my block showed up here. So now I'm going to draw my middle seat of the sofa. Select the drawing, create the block, sofa, middle, seat. Open in block editor, parameters, base point. You can add it on either side. Linear, horizontal, and vertical. Actions, stretch. Select parameter, select gripping point, draw the frame, select objects, enter. Then again vertically, stretch, select parameter, select gripping point, draw the frame, select objects, enter. Close block editor, save changes, and my middle seat shows up right next to my side seat. So I can always add as many middle seats as I want just by copying. And then add a side seat at the end and flip that. If I want this to be an L-shaped sofa, I can always extend the side seats. And I can always adjust the depth and width of each seat by stretching them and entering the dimensions that I want. So I'll remove all of that for now, and I'll go to my plan to add my reception sofa, which will go right here. So I'll set my layer, go to insert, and add one sofa middle seat and one sofa side seat. And I'll adjust the seat depth to 850. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I'm going to be adding a dynamic TV in plan with standard sizes.